Hello there, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how you can add product in your Shopify store. First, we need to log in our admin panel, and here go to products. Now on the right side, here you can see add product. Here write your product title, and here write your product description. This is product title, this is product description, and media. Here upload your product image, put your product price, and this is for sale price, offer price. Take quantity, I don't want to take quantity. This is physical product, that's why we need to add weight, the product weight. And here you can add product variation, like add size, color, and other variation. Small, medium, large, you can add more, and you can add also color, material, styles also, and you can change the product price for variation product, like small size and medium size, large size, different price you can add. And this is for SEO, this is for Google search engine. You can do SEO for this product only. You can change this from here, and you can add SEO friendly title. We need to add a category. This is shirt, top, and product type. Write your product type, t-shirt, vendor name, collection. Here if you have any product collection, here select the product collection. For example, I am selecting the home page. This is template, don't need to change this. And now click save. So that's it, we have done. And now if I see our product, view product, and here preview, click on preview. Now we can see the preview of our product, and here you can see the product. So this is how you can add product in your Shopify store. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.